Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be discussing about the NEET 2023 question paper, and this paper version is about E2. E2 will be the version of this NEET question paper. As for the question paper is very easy. Even for the students' point of view also, it's very easy. Means we have completely prepared or thoroughly prepared from the NCERT textbook. So the paper level is very easy, and even the students who have capability to score more than 550 or 600, even for them also it was very easy paper only. And the time required to solve this question paper will be hardly about 60 to 70 minutes will be needed to solve this NEET question paper. Okay, let us look into the question paper. The first question. Okay, first question number 51. The correct statement from the following. Okay, the statements are like atoms of all the elements are composed of two fundamental particles. The mass of electron is 9.10939 10 to the power minus 31. All the isotopes of the given element shows the same chemical properties. Next statement will be the proton and electrons are collectively known as nucleons. The Dalton's atomic theory regarded the atoms as an ultimate particle of matter. So choose the correct answer from the options given below. The options are like A, B and C only are the correct statement. Next option will be the C, D and E only. Option 3 will be A and E only. Option 4 B, C and E only. So the correct option will be B, C and E only. Now, which means the mass of electron is correct, and all the isotopes or given elements show the same chemical properties, and Dalton's atomic theory, it is regarded the atom as an ultimate particle of the matter. So next question, like given below the two statements, one labeled as assertion and reasoning based questions, where the assertion is like a reaction can have zero activation energy. A reason the minimum extra amount of energy absorbed by the reactant molecule so that their energy becomes equal to the threshold value is called activation energy. So the correct option for this will be the both A and R are true. Option 1 is the correct one. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct expression for the A. Okay, so next question, 53rd question. A compound is formed by two elements A and B. The element B forms a cubic closed packed structure and atoms of A occupy 1/3 of the tetrahedral voids. So then the value of x plus y is the option A correct. Option 1 will be the correct, which is 5. So 5 will be the correct option. So next question, in the assertion and reason based question, that is 54th, where the assertion is a metallic sodium dissolves in a liquid ammonia gave a deep blue color, which is a paramagnetic, and reason will be the deep blue solution is due to the formation of amide. So for this question, the correct option will be third one, where assertion is true but reason is the false. The deep blue color is due to the formation of amide is the not correct explanation for the assertion. Next question, among the following, the total number of species not having the 8 electrons around central atom in its outermost shell is NH3, AlCl3, BeCl2, carbon tetrachloride, phosphorus pentahalide, and the correct option for this one will be the 1. So total number of species not having the 8 electrons will be 3. So next question, which of the among the following molecules on polymerization produces neoprene? And the answer will be the second option. Second option will be the correct option, which follow molecule can produce a neoprene on the polymerization. So next question, in Lazigen's extract of an organic compound, 57th one, organic compound both nitrogen and sulfur are present, which gives blood red color with Fe3+ due to formation of FeSCN2 plus. Option 4, thiocyanide. Option 4 will be the right answer. The next question, weight of 2 moles of the organic compound which is obtained by heating sodium ethanoate with sodium hydroxide in the presence of calcium oxide is. So the option will be like 16, 32, 30 or 18. The correct one will be the 32. The correct answer will be the 32 gram of organic compound will be obtained. Next, 59th question. Some tranquilizers are listed below. Which one of these following belongs to the barbiturates? Barbiturates, and the option is fourth one, veronal. Among this chlorodiazepoxide or meprobamate, Valium or veronal. So fourth option, veronal, is the sum of the tranquilizer which is used. So next question will be the conductivity of centimolar solution of KCl at 25 degrees Celsius is 0.0210 ohm per centimeter, and the resistance of the cell containing the solution at 25 degree is 60 ohm. The value of the constant is option 1 it is 1.34, option 2 3.28, option 3 1.26, option 4 3.34. The correct answer is option 3, 1.26 per centimeter. 1.26 per centimeter. So next question, comparing the following the reactions where they are given the cyclic structure of reacting with an HCN and gives an B, and the B reacting with a concentrated H2SO4 gives C. And what is the C? What will be the C? So the option will be a carboxylic acid group will be formed. Carboxylic acid will be formed to the cyclic structure. And the next question, homoleptic complex from the following complexes is they given potassium trioxalaluminate 3, dihamine chlorido nitro platinum 2, pentahamine carbonato cobalt 3 chloride. Option 4 they are given trihamine triaqua chlorium chloride, and the correct option is first one, where potassium trioxalato aluminate 3 is the homoleptic complex. The next question, the relation between Nm of permissible value of magnetic quantum number for a given value of azimuthal quantum number is. So the correct answer will be the first option, where L is equal to Nm minus 1 by 2. N minus 1 by 2 will be the correct option. So next question, the stability of Cu2 plus is more than Cu plus salt in aqueous solution due to hydration energy. Due to hydration energy. Okay, due to hydration energy, 64th one. So next question, 65, where the taking stability as the factor, which one of the following represents the correct relationship? They are given TLCl3 will be greater than the TLCl. Option 2, I3 will be greater than the I. Option 3, they are given AlCl greater than the AlCl3. Option 4, they have given TLI greater than the TLI3. So the correct option will be the fourth one. The fourth one will be the correct option. So next question, which one of the example of heterogeneous catalysts? Okay, the options they are given are oxidation of sulfur dioxide into sulfur trioxide in the presence of an oxides of nitrogen, and second will be the hydrolysis of sugar catalyzed by H plus ion, decomposition of ozone in presence of nitrogen monoxide, combination between nitrogen and dihydrogen to form ammonia in the presence of finely divided iron. So the correct option will be the fourth one. the combination between of dinitrogen and dihydrogen to form ammonia in the presence of finely divided ion. The next question, the number of sigma and pi bonds and the lone pair of electrons in the pyridine. So pyridine structure you already know, that will be C5H5N. So the number of sigma and pi bonds and lone pair of electrons will be 11 sigma bonds, 3 pi bonds and 1 lone pair of electrons will be present. So next question, the correct order of energy of molecular plus N2 molecule is will be the first option, where sigma 1s will be greater than the sigma star 1s, greater than the sigma 2s, greater than the sigma star 2s, greater than the pi 2x and pi 2 pi y 2py. The first option will be the correct order of the energy of N2 molecule. So next question, again it's a reason based question where they given the assertion helium is used to dilute oxygen in diving apparatus, and reason is helium is high solubility in oxygen. So for this one, the correct option will be both A and R are true. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is the correct explanation of A. So first option is correct one, where both assertion and reason are true, and R will be the correct explanation for A. In the next question, for the certain reaction, the rate of K given like A to the power 2 B, when the initial concentration of A is tripled, when the initial concentration of A is tripled, keeping concentration of B constant, then the reaction rate would be decreased by a factor of 9. Option A is the correct one. So decrease by a factor of 9 will be the correct option. And the next question, identify the product A in the following reaction. Identify the product A. Okay, in the presence of zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl along with the water molecule. So in that, the first one, option 1 will be the right one. Option 1 will be the correct product when in the given reaction. So next question, which of the following reaction will not give primary amine as the product? Obviously the third option will be the right one, because isocyanide group does not give a product when it is gone under reduction process. So when it's gone undergo the reduction process, it does not give any product, isocyanide group. So in the next question, among the following option, the correct graphical representation of Boyle's law will be option 2. Option 2 will be the correct answer or correct graphical representation for the Boyle's law. Because you know the Boyle's law statement is where temperature will be constant and pressure will be inversely proportional to the volume. So in the next question, 74th, among the given given options, which of the following molecule or ion acts as a Lewis acid? Option 3, BF3 will be the correct option, which can act as Lewis acids. Next, the element expected to form largest ion to achieve the nearest noble gas configuration is option 3, nitrogen. Option 3, nitrogen will be the correct element can be expected for formation of largest ion. So next, 76th, the given compound is an example of allylic halides. The given compound is example of allylic halides, option 3. Why? Because where the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, so it's an allylic halide. The next question, given below are the two statements. Statement 1 is a unit formed by the attachment of a base to primary position of sugar is known as nucleoside. Statement 2, when nucleoside is linked to phosphorus acid at 5th position of sugar moiety we get nucleosides. So which will be the correct option? So in that the statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Option 3 will be the correct option, where statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. The next question, 78th. Intermolecular forces of attraction and repulsion between interacting particles that will include option. They are given some options like A dipole forces, B will be dipole induced dipole forces, C will be hydrogen bonding, D will be covalent bonding, A will be dispersion force. Choose the most appropriate answer. So in that, option 3, A, B, C and E are the correct one, where dipole forces and dipole induced dipole forces and hydrogen bonding and as well as the dispersion forces. Option 3 will be correct for the 78 question. And the next question, which of the following statement is not correct? Which one is the following statement is not correct? Where the first one, they are given hydrogen is used to reduce heavy metal oxides to metal. Next, heavy water is used to study reaction mechanism. C, they are given hydrogen is to make saturated fats from oil. Next option, question D, they are given the hydrogen bond dissociation enthalpy is lowest as compared to a single bond between two atoms. Hydrogen reduces oxides of metal that are more active than the iron. Okay, so choose the appropriate answer. So where D and E only the correct one. Option 3 is the correct, where hydrogen bond dissociation enthalpy is lowest and hydrogen reduces the oxides of metal which are more active than the iron. So next question will be the 88th. Which of the following statement is correct? Okay, the daily requirement of Mg and Ca in the human body is estimated to be 0.2 to 0.3 gram. It's correct. Option A is the correct statement. The daily requirement of magnesium and calcium in the human body is estimated to be 0.2 to 0.3 gram. So option A or option statement number 1 is the correct statement. So next we shall look into the next question, which I given like match the list 1 with list 2. Where in the list 1 they are given coke, diamond, fluorines, graphite. List 2, carbon atoms or sp3 hybridized, used as dry lubricant, used as reducing agent, cage like molecules. And the correct answer will be option 3, where coke is used as a reducing agent, diamond is a carbon atom or sp3 hybridized. Diamond is made up of a carbon. So next, fluorines will be a cage like molecule and the graphite will be used as a dry lubricant. So option 3. So next question, after the 81, the correct option will be the third one. Question number 80. The right option for the mass of carbon dioxide produced by heating 20 gram of 20 pure limestone, where atomic number of calcium they are given 40, and the correct answer will be the 1.76 gram. Option B, 1.76 gram will be the right option. Next, identify the product in the following reaction where diazonium salt reacting with the cuprous salad in the presence of HBr. The product will be option 2, benzene. Benzene will be the product when diazonium salt is reacted with the cuprous bromide, and Mg with presence of dry ether and also with a water molecule. Benzene will be the next. We shall look into the section B questions. Consider the following compounds or species. The number of compounds or species which obey the Huckel rule is 4. So total 4 compounds will obey the Huckel rule. Next question, identify the major product obtained in the following reaction. The major product reacting with 2 AgNH3 twice plus along with the 3OH. The major product will be the option 3. Option 3 will be the correct option, or that will be the major product for this reaction. So next the next question will be which of the following statements are incorrect. The statements are all the transition metals except scandium form monoxide oxides which are ionic. The highest oxidation number corresponding to the group number is transition metal oxides and attain in the C2O3. Next statement will be the basic character increases from V2O3 to V2O4 to V2O5. V2O4 dissolves in the acid to give VO4 minus salt. Next last statement will be the CRO is basic but Cr2O3 is amphoteric. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the correct one will be the C and D. C and D are incorrect statement. So basic character does not increases from V2O3 to V2O4 and V2O4 dissolves in acid to give V4 minus salt is an incorrect statement. So both C and D are the incorrect statement, which means option 3 is the correct one. Next question, which among the following will be the most readily dehydrated under acidic condition? Acidic condition. So in that the option 4 will be the correct one. So next question, 89th, consider the following reactions. Consider the following reaction. Identify product A and B. Identify the product A and B. In this, the option 3 will be the right one. Option 3 will be a right one where benzene will be attached by CH3I and B will be the phenol. B will be the phenol. So in the next question, 91, the reaction that does not take place in a blast furnace between 900 K to 1500 Kelvin temperature range during the extraction of iron is the first option will be the right one where Fe2O3 plus CO gives us to 2FeO plus CO2. So first option will be the right one which does not take place in the blast furnace between 900 Kelvin to 1500 Kelvin. So next question, which among the following option is the correct relation between the change in the enthalpy and change in the internal energy? The options are delta H is equal to delta U minus delta Nj RT. Option 2, delta H is equal to delta U plus delta Nj RT. That one will be the correct option. Option 2 will be the correct option for the relation between the change in the enthalpy and the change in the internal energy. Next question, on balancing the given redox reaction, the coefficients A, B and C are found to be respectively. A, B, C are found to be respectively will be where option A, option 1, 138. 138 will be the correct option where A will be the 1, which means 1 chromium oxide will be there and 3 sulfate will be there and 8 molecules of H plus will be there. So A, B, C will be like 1, 3, 8 respectively. So next question, what fraction of one edge centered octahedral void lies in one unit cell of FCC? It is 1 by 4. Option 3, 1 by 4 will be the edge center in the octahedral voids. So in the next question, 95, given below are the two statements. Okay, they are given the two statements where statement 1 will be the nutrient deficient water bodies lead to eutrophication. Next statement 2, eutrophication leads to decrease in the level of oxygen in the water bodies. So for this question, the correct option will be the fourth one. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is true. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is true. So next question, the equilibrium concentration of species in the reaction A plus B gives C plus D or 2, 3 10 and 6 mole per liter respectively at 300 Kelvin. Delta G naught for the reaction will be, where R will be equal to 2 cal per mole Kelvin. Okay, so the options are option 1 1372.60, no. Option 2 minus 137.26, option 3 minus 1381.80 Kelvin, sorry, not Kelvin, cal. Option 4 minus 13.73. So the correct answer will be the option 3 minus 1381.80 will be the correct one. So next question, which complex compound is most stable? Which complex compound is most stable? In the given options, the third option is the correct one, ethylene diamine twice, COCl2, En twice, NO3. So option 3 will be the correct option, which will be the most complex compound, which is a stable one. So next question, match the list. Okay, in the list 1 they are given the oxo acids of sulfur, list 2 they have given the bonds, list 2 they have given the bonds, where the peroxo disulfuric acid, in the list 1 sulfuric acid, C they are given pyrosulfuric acid, D they are given sulfurous acid, and the bonds of each oxo acid sulfurous are given in the list 2, and the correct option will be the second one. Correct option will be the second one, where peroxo disulfuric acid will be having 2 SOH and 1 S double bond O bond will be there. In sulfuric acid 2 SOH and 2 SO bonds will be there. So option second one will be the correct one. The next question, pumice stone is an example of solid soul. Pumice stone is an example of the solid soul, which means option 3 will be the correct one. Next question, last one, identify the final product D obtained in the following sequence of the reaction. So in that, the first option will be the correct option, and that will be the final product for the given reaction, where CH3CH2 acetaldehyde reacting with an reducing agent. So for that one, option 1 will be the right option, and that will be the final product. And I hope all the questions I have discussed here will be the correct one. If any, there might be 1 or 2 questions might be wrong, but still I have tried, and I hope everyone understood the questions and the answers. Thank you all.